Good morning, guys and girls. It's Craig from Parco's Fishing, FNQ. We just come out today, so as you can see, it's a bit overcast and a little bit bumpy. But anyway, we'll shoot out to the reef and see what we can come up with. We've got the outriggers on today, so we'll see if we can maybe get a Juby marlin and yeah, have a good look around and see if we can find some more ground. Alright, no worries. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, yeah, well, we made it out here. All good. Wasn't too bad actually. Sat on about 16 knots all the way out. It's looking a bit gloomy at the front, but anyway, we'll see what happens. See, at least we got a bit of sun, kinda. But yeah, anyway, I'm just having a quick trawl across the point of this reef and then see what it's like in behind, and then I might just continue trawling up this reef and see if we can pick up a mackerel or anything like that, and then yeah, go from there, I suppose. Might throw the outriggers out shortly and put a little skirt on and start just trawling along the edge of the where a field comes up onto the reef in about the 30 metre mark, looking for any bait, schooling and so forth. So see if we can maybe get a little Juby marlin, but we'll wait and see. Alright, no worries. Cheers, thanks for watching. So we got one small mackerel just then, so yeah, sorry I missed you on the video, but yeah, ended up putting him back. He was only just 750, so yeah, he went back a little Spanish, so we'll see how we go. Bit of stuff on the top of the sounder there, you can see it, so hopefully might be a few more mackerel. Alright, we'll get back to you. Cheers. Oh, we're giving it a crack with a bit of bottom fishing. Seeing a bit of a show on the bottom, so we'll see, but very tentative bites at the moment, so anyway, keep trying. Alright, we'll talk to you a bit later. Cheers. So yeah, we've put the outriggers out, so I'm just going to run a little Palooka pusher out on one outrigger, and then on the other I'll just run a skip and gar and see what happens. So yeah, anyway, we'll keep going, so cheers. So yeah, a bit of an update. I stopped trawling for marlin and that. It's blown up, it's probably over 15 now, so you can see. So yeah, just gonna trawl slowly back in and chase some mackerel back up towards the reef and yeah, see how we go. Find his bottom spot, having troubles with the Minn Kota holding bottom. Well, not that it's not holding bottom, it just keeps on tripping out or turning off, so I'll need to go and talk to people on board it from and find out what's going on with it. So anyway, no worries, cheers, thanks for watching. Well, hopefully we've still got one on here. Yep, he's still there. yeah, I obviously high-sided that rod, bringing that fish in, which I probably should never have done, obviously. But yeah, that's what happened. So that one's cactus now, broken in 2 bits, but or 3 bits now, 3-piece rod. But yeah, anyway, that's the way the cookie crumbles. But yeah, probably should never have brought fish in that way, and that's my fault. But, yep. Anyway, no worries. Just yeah, just troll it down the inside of this reef. It's still blowing its ring around. So anyway, one of those things. It's fishing. Cheers. It's out. Well, I think that's it, folks. Yeah, it's pretty bloody blowy out here, as you can see. Taking a few greenies over the front, so yeah, I'm gonna head back into the river, and yeah, I might just have a bit of a troll around there and mosey home. All right, no worries. It was more come out today and get a fish, which I got two. I got a tuna and a small Spanish mackerel, which was about 750, but I'll put him back. And I got a couple of flags, and yeah, that's about it. So, or huskers, I should say. So yeah, oh no, this is what it's all about. Get out, give it a go. But yeah, you can see some of the waves that have come through are pretty bloody decent. So yeah, I'm gonna head back in. All right, no worries. I'll talk to you when I get back in. Cheers. Well, we're back in the river now. Had a bit of a troll on the way in, but yeah, nothing. So yeah, a beautiful day in the river. Now the sun's kind of come out, but yep, but that will be a zilch. The new carpet's nice, a little bit slippery, but I think once I give it a wash, it should be alright. Yeah, so pretty happy with the way it all turned out. But yeah, she was bloody rough coming back in. So alright, no worries. We'll talk to you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.